Let's give them a huge round of applause on this auspicious occasion. Bouquet. Sir, to welcome him with a floral bouquet. Welcome him with a floral bouquet. Respected Vice Principal Sir, to welcome him with a floral bouquet. Birthday anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and on this auspicious occasion, I'd like to request all the dignitaries to offer flower to the portrait of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Thank you so much, sir.
Our guest of honor, Mr. Swami Vishnu Devanandaji Maharaj will be arriving shortly. He is on the way. We took Maharaj's permission to continue our program, but now we will proceed our next part so that we are continuing this, giving this continuation. Respected President of Egra Public School, Mr. Kishore Bose, respected Vice Principal of Egra Public School, Mr. Ravindranath Maiti, respected MC members, Mr. Konokanti Kaur, Mr. Subhash Chandra Pradhan, Mr. Sarvadindu Das, our respected teachers, non-teaching staff, our parents, respected parents present here today with us, and our beloved students. We know that in 2008, 14th April, we had established our school in the Egra premises in a rented house, and our motto is to provide the quality education through English medium. With 100 students in Egra subdivision, we have got affiliation from the Council for the Indian School Certificate Examination, and this is the one and only school, English medium affiliated school in Egra subdivision. It's a proud moment for all of us. All of our students are doing extremely well in the ICSE 10th board and ISC 12th board examination.
I would like to express my gratitude to all the NC members trustee members,
আমাদের সংস্কৃতির ধারক এবং বাহক। আমরা সেই সংস্কৃতি ধারণ করব এবং পরের প্রজন্মের কাছে সেটা ছড়িয়ে দিতে হবে। আজকের দিনের এটাই মুখ্য বার্তা।
Thank you so much, sir. Is present among us now. Thank you so much, Maharaj, for giving your prized time to us. One rose is going on. Just let us continue. Ankush Chakraborty, fluency in English and best dressed student in the class. Oitri Adok. Now I'd like to request respected Principal Sir to come on the dais, respected President of Managing Committee of Egra Public School to come on the dais and welcome Maharaj with Mr. Tapan Kumar Shamal, one of the member of Devendra and Rohini Memorial Trust. I'd like to request sir to come on the dais and welcome Maharaj to
जतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूरय सच्चित् सुख स्वरूपाय स्वामी तापहारे ओम असतो मा सद्गमयो तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमयो मृत्युर्मा मृतंगमयो ओम शांति शांति शांति।
বাঁশি পুড়ে তুমি আরো 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 গাও গান করে আরো 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 গাও গান গান ভরিয়ে তৃষা ভরিয়ে মরে আরো 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 গাও গান। কবি সুবোধ সর বিয়েতে একান্নটা শাড়ি ছিল মেয়েটা, সমঙ্গলে ফিরে এসে আরো এত শাড়ি সে একসাথে জীবনে দেখেনি। আলমারি প্রথম